KLS Martin Manufacturing is located in Jacksonville, Florida. We opened our doors in 2016 with our president and 3 engineers. Since then, we have hired nearly 100 employees and have made the necessary investments to support orthognathic and reconstruction planning, design, and production, all under one roof. Prior to preparing for a planning session, data must be validated, segmented, and checked for any errors that may have occurred during the scan. Following data validation, the engineer may then prepare for the planning session by setting up the data based on the surgeon's preferences. If the engineers are preparing the data for an orthognathic planning session, our proprietary software IPS Case Designer is utilized. We also have a reconstruction team that supports mandibular and maxillary reconstruction, distraction osteogenesis, cranial procedures, facial feminization surgery, and any other cosmetic implants. PEEK implants are very popular for cranioplasty procedures, as well as a variety of mid-face and mandibular onlay applications. Prior to production, a program must be written. After analyzing the height of the implant, the bandsaw can be used to remove the amount of PEEK needed for the implant. This slice of PEEK is then transferred to our 5-axis milling machine, where the surface is smoothed and any necessary undercuts are also milled. Following product design and approval, selective laser melting takes place, which is an additive manufacturing process where our 3D printers use a laser to melt successive layers of titanium powder to produce the designed implant or guide. KLS Martin was the first company specializing in CMF reconstruction to begin 3D printing our titanium plates and surgical guides. The products are printed on the platform the initial day, followed by annealing, post-processing steps, and milling of locking holes takes place on the final day of production prior to shipping. 3D printing ensures an efficient manufacturing process while also providing excellent registration for the implant or guide. In addition to our titanium guides, we also produce polymer guides made out of polyamide through additive manufacturing. These guides have a variety of applications in orthognathic and reconstructive surgery and may have the same features incorporated into them as our titanium guides. Anatomic models may now be produced with highlights incorporated into areas of interest. We also work with an opaque model material. These models may be used as visual aids in surgery and are also utilized during our quality control fit check to confirm the designed product fits the patient's anatomy. After printing, the models are cured and cleaned prior to shipping. Splints for orthognathic surgery are also designed and produced in-house. Following production, they are cured and, like all products, receive a fit check as part of our quality assurance prior to shipping. At KLS Martin, surgical innovation is our passion. This is a promise we have pursued in surgery since 1896. This philosophy not only applies to our surgical solutions, but our advanced design, manufacturing, and education facilities as well. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility.